Everyone is racing to replace people with AI. We think that's backwards. We're a team of go to market experts who have spent the last decade helping companies grow revenue. And across every engagement, we keep running into the same problems: teams buried in manual work, disconnected systems, and no clear view of the customer journey. AI finally made those problems solvable and scalable. But most companies don't know where to start. Buying multiple tools and plan upgrades turned a good idea into a generic, costly nightmare. The problem is, AI doesn't know your business. It doesn't know your customers, why you win, why you lose, and how your team actually works. That's where we start. Before we build anything, we learn what makes you, you. We capture the knowledge that's stuck in spreadsheets, Slack messages, and in the heads of your best people. Then turn it into shared business context AI can actually use. Next, we connect the tools you already have and build an AI architecture that you own. Not another black box, not another disconnected platform. Within about 30 days, your intelligence systems are live. Sales intelligence de-anonymizes buying signals from your website, social accounts, and shared content so your team knows who to reach out to, when to engage, and what to say. Marketing intelligence connects campaigns, conversations, and revenue so you understand what's resonating, why customers buy, and where to invest next. Customer intelligence monitors account health to reduce churn, identify accounts ready to grow, and recommend the next best action. Every insight arrives ready to review in Slack, email, or wherever your team works. Approve it, edit it, or dismiss it. Nothing goes out that a human didn't see. AI does the busy work, your people make decisions. Then we review how everything performed together. Our team reviews, refines, and implements improvements as your context engine becomes sharper and produces better results. That's closed loop architecture at work. To learn more, book a strategy call today and let us help you grow revenue and stay human.